Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can import large SQL file in phpMyAdmin in XAMPP. So if you have an issue with uploading large database file, let me help you try to solve this issue. In XAMPP, we want to open the Explorer first, and then in this folder we want to go to PHP folder. Now over here we need to scroll down to find the php.ini file, and we want to open it in any text editor that we have. So I'm gonna use Notepad++ in this example. Now, in this file, we want to find several different lines and adjust the values. So the first one is post_max_size. Once you find it, we want to change the current value that we have into something bigger, like 750 M, of course. The next one is upload_max_file size. And here as well, we need to change it to 750. The third option is the max execution time. And we also want to extend it. And I'm gonna change it to 5000. The fourth value will be changed for max input time, which is below. And we need to increase it to 5000 as well. And finally, below here, we should also find the memory limit. If not, try to find it as well. And we can increase it from 512 to, let's say, 1000. After that, we need to save the php.ini file. And the next thing that we need to do is restart the XAMPP application. So we're gonna close it, we're gonna quit it. And you can also open, for instance, the task manager to make sure that it's completely disabled. And after that, we can run the XAMPP file once again. After that, the issue should be solved and you should be able to upload large SQL file in phpMyAdmin in XAMPP. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!